Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Beauty Spot. Do you want to look 10 years younger? Are you worried about your skin sagging and wrinkles forming? Don't worry, because today I'm going to show you an incredible remedy that will make you look 10 years younger. Your skin will start to glow and look young and healthy. You'll see your skin getting supple and soft in just a few days. So let's start with this amazing remedy. Take a clean bowl and add about 3 teaspoons of yogurt to it. Then add a teaspoon of coffee powder and mix it properly so that it forms a thick, smooth paste. As you can see, it should look like this. Apply this mask on your face with the help of your hands or brush or whatever you're comfortable with. Cover your entire face with this mask, including the under eye area. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which helps dissolve dead skin and tightens the pores. Yogurt naturally reduces fine lines and wrinkles from the skin. It moisturizes, fights acne, reduces dark circles, and fades blemishes and pigmentation. Coffee is a great exfoliant. Caffeine in coffee boosts collagen levels and reduces premature aging of cells, thus making you look younger. When you've applied this mask, leave it on your skin for 20 minutes or until it's completely dry. When the mask is dried up, use a wet cotton ball or wipes to remove the mask from your face. Then rinse with cold water and dry using a clean towel. You'll see your skin will start to glow and look healthy and soft. Your wrinkles will vanish with a few days of use and your skin will start to look 10 years younger. I hope you liked my video. Share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye!